problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Halor ke jing kena bagi pulet jong kathanat seorang bila bom mati dulu samla bangkat kendai sem kata nakaliang superintendent ke pulet ke East Khasi Hills ubah Vivek Siem ula bata ia subdivisional police officer ban toket ban IT ke kaipot apo stayo la ban kedo hang ni ba ke kong Mildred Jerwa ha ka nyu tarik unaitung kelawan ke office ke Meghalaya Human Rights Commission Shillong ban ke office superintendent ke pulet ke East Khasi Hills ban ujor halor ke jing kena wa kon jongka Ugatwen Jerwa kat kendai senam kerta ulah sya abom haki pulet ke tanat seora hadu pun nemen saujur kat gum ke ejahar balapa sya superintendent ki pulet la kedau bah kalai terik unaitung arajar arpusan ke kemia kelawan yalam hiu kun jongka sya ke tanat seora hak por kumba kendai bejem step pada kene kejan miat hi gal syau no elo kun na ke tanat ndai ke belengok kolong bo kun jongka ulah sya abom sya atiat ki pulet hadu pula mensau bat kumta kalai lam no yu sya ke seora CHC Kebahadian kila para anu asya Shillong Civil Hospital bat la sumar kene hospital dan dok penyuk tarik unaitung. Habakran ni gila patai kubor USP City ubah Herbert Peniat Karkongor. Uli tu bah ke tarik unaitung ka tanat seora kalayo ekijing ujor na kirang ba asnong ka mau PCM seora. Kalor uwe ubrio ubah la tombor ya uwe pat ubrio la tip keteng kumujab majau. Bat halor ka jing berngem bersit ujab majau da kebalik sama koru. Kapan nakaliang kedorbar senong mau KCM kelakot hajar riu banwan kedorbar haga arpu praterik ujeliu badak sitrik unaitung mrep kemuan kumta kel ujor dak ejahar halo kene kejing jas kipulet nakaliang kipulet haba kilayo jing tip kele persang ban kem no yu ndre kim semlayo namar ula pet kene kejaka badak kalai terik unaitung ka kemia jung kalawan yalam no yau getwen sya kene kathanat badak kene kejuhi kesingal syauno Ndrei hakah nyuk terik unaitung kipulet keliu opdiang ya kejung ujor na ke kemia jong Gatwen Jerwa bela sya tombor kipulet jong kathanat seorang badah lor kani na kaliang superintendent kipulet East Khasi Hills ula betha ban penlong ya kejung toket halor kani
nagai kata kata-kata buang thap kata batu saksi lebat dengan mabelai lagi tu wan senang belah kami nanti musim belah lihat belah kisio bom ya kan tu kau kau pia oi jeng kumar kau lepas jeng buat jur labu anyar labu leng tu mah tatang tu ngaro buruk tak ngapung ngaro tapi tatang
tiga jam mana kata apa
kata kejam sini sajang kata kau beri si palai kan tan apa itu buat tanah tak buat minit saya yang apa tiang manfaat yang minit mah manfaat nama lebih bom yang tak buat bom setiap palai tu yang yang aku biji itu tidak buat ini semaksiat kalau pernah ada tentang ni email kan ini mah aku nak tahu mungkin ada apa ya mau email yang laksanya ya kan ada dapat lain so you tu jam tu kan jam sejak itu namanya ayo lah ada beli angka lah isman gitu like kok bila shop technical shop man ko ayo kok kan siap lo bom ini kesat ada pangla sudah ini
Nama baik nak buat si ayu si nak tarik dia sure kita cuba ayu memilih kata buan-buan tidak ini buan-buan ini buan mit buan termiat yang mendawan kunjungi sapa unwan sapa yang ini dengan arti mentah melihat ada kan setiap ada dia setiap dari pendidikan untuk pendidikan itu nanti dengan sakit melat.
Tapi apa dah kebetulan kan tadi ada baca syok sebenarnya je. Dia jadi. Makanya kalau kan dia cepat tak
Dah lah apa hayu. Tu ibu lah. Siapa macam
Kamu mana banyak lampu sih? Lampu sini
kalau sama pun nak polis kan.
insya Allah pola terik.
Siapa lagi tadi?
Kamu dah kita orang siapa ibu pun nak misal, orang lah.
Nanti orang yang ngambil si orang yang pun tidak dan lebih pendak kawan. Kawan si benar ini. Ambil lesson saya. Dan dari orang apa ada si orang apa wow lah sedam dengan saya pada dengan saya. Dengan seorang pada masa orang mengambil si hospital dengan orang wanita dan melatih si ini ada sebuah mengambil hospital.
Aying ni sarak no shani namar bag doktor kalau ong ba kaji sumar ni kam ka bakam karpang shani cepo civil hospital lawan rano shani civil hospital de mentana du kasni ka ba idon hari mentak isni kalal dei lain sini tingi sutu sai bakan ni kajing bom ne kajing kritiki kalalong kalong ka bom singo songmong rim bak ka bangim singo banla ban priang namar ka do namar bahasa kawai ka kisun batai ti ka ba jah majai ya ka ba wei u badla li ulasei daka wai daka teri ban i ya ki perdo persnam angti bat ya kata ru ilalai ban komplain andre kam don kata ka ka punishment ka baginda bom da show ya u hadu pa dakta adu pada koi spo hospital andre ka jisneng ki pulit ki don da kalenti ka bagi ai kata ka jisneng ki ka dei da koi kalenti kat bahapi apo thanat police station pat kadon ya dakani kalenti ka baki torsori abal nakaling ibhaying hasem ki wan ur wanam sengi kaseng bat ki ong mengisngo kumba ukun jungi ulade uta ubrio ubalasim ki kam ti bahe ikam pinyak brio ne ubulade bulade sim ki nugin makes kan kat ki torsor ke joki andre ladang ikeli nagi prasnong pratar ngi ateli katukan ni limbagi phone call mai keli ya ke jingjia kata kasir kilai su baka de ke jingjia ka baret bat kilayu i makir kilayu i de mat de ke jingjia ka baret ta ba shulong no ba kai ka pelong yang ni kumi try ni perkat ba ka polisi department tahap ka polisi department po sora kia sang po sora ka juba ni Ahmad jungi na bungin siya kai ka daw tiba titile adukan ni tan kata ka daw ba ka case ka ba Great Barrier kajinya nia kajinya mai kaisno ata
benta ngilawan bu ya ka komplain po ka Human Rights Commission dan aku ngelapa ya ko ke FIR po ka post tender police dong ka is kasil sa Alexia dan kalian pa Alexia mo ilaong ka don siya kung ganito dinda sa sim sa inquiry sa sa sim ni sinjap ko ko sa namar ajan ban ki puar kadunja iki tamtam gini ki kun semula ki ni jadi sabom sak tiet di buat ka ai thank you misuse na ya panika buat to ki da ka ba ismo hanga semua hangunai bat ka dile to ki ni kandam sa pana kalian kasang ngin sa buat dia apa ide bakani kies la da dia kendu iki nong alam ki bat pat kani po civil hospital na kalian di tong ki lapan sai long bahabi day baka report ng namla man IP na baka day ka police case okay fine yung don ay kata ban hele iban wat pa di kata ka report ka ba on sen on sayo na ni na po ka civil hospital but hakabay day baka report ka bang layo na po ka CHC sora nilada na ni bat ng sa ay ki press ru bat ng submit ru sa po ki department ba day fight balada kani ka jing complain ka jing kanumpoy sa ICA ru ngan sa report pat sa sigiway ki benta ki department ki ba day fight Every day, but kumgini kitingja ba dinja kaka.
On the 1st of July, Sora Police Station they have received a complaint from the Rambashnong of Mokisi village, Sora, where there was this one person who had assaulted another person whose name is Job Majau from the same village, and accordingly he had also challenged the clan using filthy language and also threatened this Mr. Job that Majau that he'd threatened him and shown this private part also, and accordingly, seeing this, the village darbar they had summoned the concerned person on 2020, he had summoned him on the 1st of July 2025, but he failed to appear. Okay. Initially, they had also summoned him on the 28th, but again he had failed to come and report uh, before the village elders. Then, accordingly, they had filed the FIR on the 0107/2025, and then the police, they got the information from the village also sources that they tried to apprehend him, but actually when they went to the village where he was told that he was found, but he was not there. He had already fled away. Then on the 3rd, his mother brought him to the Thana, and accordingly he was brought to the Thana, and then he was kept in the police station. And later on, his mother had come and taken his son back. And accordingly, like today, also we had received another complaint from the mother. She had alleged that her son had been assaulted. And regarding this matter, what an order had been also already been passed by the superintendent of police, ordering the subdivisional police officer of Nusla to conduct an inquiry into the allegations, into the matter, and also to submit his report by this weekend. And accordingly, depending upon the outcome of the report, necessary action will be initiated. So that's what I'm telling. The report is like that, but we will inquire into it, and an officer of the level of a gazetted officer, subdivisional police officer, he will be doing the inquiry and submit it early. See, the human right is there, and it is their right also to send, and for us police also, it's a duty to inquire and find the facts, and depending upon the facts, the necessary action will be taken.